nigga on my way up, I came up, was riding the doors. Always keep my fingers twisted, I never knew who to trust. Yeah, me, I always knew I was gifted. This shit came fresh out the box. I'ma just leave him a trailer, the little niggas kinda get dots. Yeah, I heard him say him and I ops. I bet you right now, yeah, he shoot like a pot. Yeah, I keep it cooking up until the morning. See, right now I'm stirring the pot. How is you budging on a young nigga, man? I ain't even pop. Yeah, I just go and put up a reel on Instagram. I don't do the talk. Yeah, I'm steady climbing to the top. Niggas hating, but they can't wait till I drop. Every ounce of sweat to the Jew must a job. Tryna run it up, it ain't no light job. I be in the trap, you see me in the block, skating in my Vans, tryna get a pop. Way too far from finish, but I ain't stopped. Tryna get this shit jumping like a fry. Yeah, right before I hit the stage, I need me to deposit. I'm tryna get paid. Ain't got a second to play, I done lost all my patience and ran out of faith. I ain't hearing none if it ain't paper conversations, best be through a bank steak. I'm out here fighting for my piece of cake, put it on my mama, niggas ain't safe. I got some money to make, yeah, I gotta fill up the plate. Back home, put some food up on the table. Trust is a lot on my plate, but I still need my piece of the cake. Ain't to the bread, it's for family's sake. I close my eyes and all I see is fire. But the spirit inside me lift me higher. Yeah, I know the devil is a liar, so I put my trust in God, he the Messiah. I was in the dark, he brought the light here. Yeah, you know it never feel right here. I guess it's all a matter of time. Running my race, yeah. Put your favorite in his place. You already know I come straight to the chase, yeah. Yeah, I still got demons to face. Ain't got me no time to waste. Let these niggas follow, I'll leave them a trace. Yeah, I've been a cold case. I guess I'm still stuck to my ways. You know some shit just don't change. Hey, and nothing really been the same. Hella ironic, but I'm just saying. Pockets still need more change.
It's 2025, I'm still doing shit.